Out of Lebanon, officials are saying that the blast heard near a port in the capital Beirut earlier was an accident, as is in no way terror-related. Several people have been injured. There are reports that scores have been injured, even some reports just moments ago that hundreds of people may have been hurt.
Buildings and sending glass flying, witnesses said.
We heard the first explosion and went to see what happened. I didn't have time. I didn't realize there would be a second explosion. The glass exploded in front of me.
We were at home. We heard what sounded like fireworks. We thought it was a container in the port that was on fire, and they weren't able to put it out. A few seconds later, we were flying through the air.
Lebanon's interior minister said initial information indicated highly explosive material seized years ago that had been stored at the port had blown up. The minister told an Arabic TV station ammonium nitrate had been in storage there since 2014.
Now you can see on your screen massive plumes of smoke could be seen rising above the capital near the port on Tuesday, late afternoon local time.
Caution, as we just don't know many facts, is it's just very, very unlikely that the Israeli military or security services would do anything like this that would affect so many innocent people.